Welcome to my Getting Started series, Getting to the Checkout. Now that you have your online account, you can sign in from the front page. Once again, this takes you straight to the shop front, just like a display window, where you can take a minute to check out new products, savings packs and specials, before moving on. Instead of working through the categories, you can quickly pick up specials and popular regular items from this display page. As an example, Cellwise, a new formulation of an old favourite antioxidant supplement. You can check the ingredients, whether it's gluten and dairy free and vegan suitable, before adding it to your cart or returning to the main page. Check the popular products to grab any regular items you need right here. Add them straight to your cart. You can review your list at the checkout. Loyalty points are shown on the right. You can start to build your own lists of products that you regularly use here. You can also quickly search for something you like. For example, toothpaste. Notice the natural antibacterial ingredients, no sugars, no traces of toxic chemicals often found in regular toothpaste. One tube will last 2 adults at least a month. Now, you might like to browse the categories. Click on a product if you want to check out its ingredients and any other information. Let's look at a couple of favourites in the household aisle. Power laundry detergent. Remember, you only use 1 pump, 10 ml per wash, against 30 to 80 ml of Earth Choice. Because there is no extra water and no fillers to cause smudging on clothes or skin irritations. Check the family safe ingredients before adding it to your cart. Pre-Spot stain remover. It's another very good product in this range. It will remove tough stains like blood, oil, pasta and more. Tough and Tender. All-purpose kitchen cleaner. 12 times concentrated. Makes 6 spray bottles for less than $2 a bottle. It has no harsh or toxic chemicals. It's safe around children, great and small. This is not official, but we use it to deter indoor pests. We don't use any poisons inside our home since commencing Melaleuca. Add it to your cart. Diamond Bright dishwashing liquid. It's completely non-toxic, good for the environment and safe around children. Another reason you don't require locks on your cupboards. While we're here, I will often pick up a Lemon Bright dishwashing liquid. I find it's great for washing the windows too, if they're quite dusty prior to using Clear Power for window cleaning. Be aware that these products are highly concentrated. The hardest thing about Melaleuca is getting into the habit of using less to gain more. Now something for yourself. How about some Cybella shampoo and conditioner? This is a salon quality range to suit every hair type, which includes for fine straight hair, curly hair or damaged hair. Let's assume that's it for our list. Now go to your shopping cart and check your list. Once you are satisfied with what's in your basket, head to the checkout. Here you can add bonus items and check your loyalty points. This is where you check off any item to use your loyalty points. You might want to use your points to indulge in a luxury face cream. Continue to check out where you'll be offered some extra specials. You can add any of these items. If you find you've already ordered an item and this is a better deal, you may loop back to the product store, make your changes in the checkout before continuing to place your order. Be mindful though that you still have enough points to qualify for the specials. Place your order and wait a few days for your delivery. In the next video, I'll lead you through how to release your loyalty points. Thanks for joining us. Until then, blue skies. Did I go a bit quick at the end?
I don't think so.